Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to resolve very unusual type of error that comes whenever we try to make a program of AOP. You see that here I am using the aspect annotation and it marking this as a unknown annotation, unknown library. Here the org.aspectj.lang annotation after everything is okay and fine. This library is also available in this directory. You see we have a aspect j runtime aspect j weaver also. We have a AOP also. And if we try to resolve this, here we have a fixed project and you see we have library also, two library we have, but it is not able to resolve this. We have the particular error in each and every aspect annotation. You see that error is org.aspect cannot be resolved. You see, then we have aspect cannot be resolved to a type, Pointcut cannot be resolved to a type, before cannot be resolved to a type. You see that we have such kind of error in Spring whenever we try to create a program of Spring AOP. You see is not able to compile, and we have the particular error is called aspect cannot be resolved to a type. But we have, you see, imported all the required dependencies required for AOP programming. You can go to Vipin repository and we can match from this also MVN repository, and if I type here aspect j and search it, and you see this is the aspect j viewer, latest one 1.9.9.1, and you see the same dependency I copy and the same dependency I have here. You see it's a viewer, just I replace it and save this. You see same dependency I have, same dependency for 1.9.1 for aspect runtime also. You can see here aspect runtime also. We go there, aspect runtime and same version and same dependency. You see we have the same dependency 1.9.1 and scope is runtime. You see same we have inserted here, same I have, save this, but still I have the library also. You see library is also included, and in this library we have all the classes those are required for AOP programming, but still this library is not accessible by this. So the purpose of this video is to solve this error. How we can solve these error? If you are facing these error that org.aspectj cannot be resolved, aspect cannot be resolved to a type, Pointcut cannot be resolved to a type, before cannot be resolved to a type. If you are having such kind of problem, so there is a solution, only one solution is there, simple solution by which it will run properly. So we have to go to POM file, and you see that in this website, the repository website, here we have a scope runtime. So that is the problem here. So this we have to remove, means we have to remove this runtime scope. Just remove this from this like that, and remove this one also runtime from viewer. So you have to remove the scope which we are copying from this repository. In this repository, whenever we copy, we have this tag scope tag, that is restricting it to run in a runtime. So I am just removing this scope from the jviewer also, from runtime also, and save this once again, and you will see that magic. We have done this, and you see all the error gone. Just to remove the scope of runtime from these dependencies, and everything is working now. And if I try to run it and if I try to execute it, you see all AOP program is running without any error. You see, So this program is running without any error, same AOP program running. But if again I add here scope to runtime, then it will also generate the error. So you see that in a Maven repository website we have a wrong information. So this information, this tag is not required runtime. We have to remove this tag. So if you are copying this from this dependency website, then after copy here in pom.xml file, remove the scope tag and just leave all the same as we are copying. Just we have to remove only the scope tag from these two repository, aspectj viewer and aspect runtime, and after this you will find that error is gone and all the annotations which is required for AOP is working. Aspect is also working. This file is found here, and you see Pointcut before all advices is also accessible. So library is automatically connected with the Spring framework. So that was the purpose, to solve the error. Just make a one change in pom.xml file, remove the scope, and the error will gone. If you like this video, if you appreciate my work, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.